adventure. It's good to be back, kids. This is Teacher Lynn from Kindergarten 2. Are you excited to learn more about nature around us? Uses of flowers. So the uses of flowers are to bring beauty to the environment, for ritual or religion offering, for some occasions such as Mother's Day. Okay, so now write the words along the dotted lines and color the pictures. So we have two flowers here. The first one is jasmine, spells as Jasmine. Okay, so let's trace it. And the next one that we have here is lotus. So lotus spells as Lotus. Okay, so here, this girl, she gave her mother a flower. And on the second picture, the boy is trying to put a flower as an offering to the Buddha. Okay? So these are the occasions where we usually give flowers to someone. Okay? It could be a Mother's Day or an offering, a religion or offering. Okay? So after you do the activity, please, kids, don't forget to color the picture and make sure to color it nicely. You can use any color that you like, of course. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed your activity today. Good job, kids! You did great! See you in the next video! Bye!